Hello. Sabaidi. How are you? Good afternoon, everybody. I've been driving on this road, or you can call it a highway, for the past 30 minutes, and I have another 30 minutes probably to get to a place where there are like at least 3 big waterfalls. Let's hope that it will not rain. It's a little bit gloomy, you know, but it's still not raining today, unlike yesterday, which rained all day and I had to stay home. But I rented this motorbike just for this one reason, to go to the mountains and see that waterfall. Well, on the Google map it says it's about 40 to or 42 kilometers from the Paksong city or the town. That's a long drive, so today I'll be driving at least 80 kilometers to go there and come back, and I hope it doesn't rain. Look at this guy. His back tire is moving like sideways. Guys, I'm here. This is the resort just before the falls. These are the people waiting for the zip line. It really is not a good day to be here. It's cloudy. The waterfall itself is creating a cloud that you cannot really see it. So, but this place, which we just saw, is a place where you practice it, or probably just decide if you can do it or not. And there are so many things. This is like a resort, so these are washrooms. But there's a coffee shop over there, there's a restaurant. The name of the falls is Tad Fane Waterfalls. This side is the resort and the exit. Here a coffee shop, a zipline, toilet and viewpoint. Where we just saw the zipline, I'll show you guys the viewpoint here. You can't really see anything here. Is a restaurant. And here, this is the viewpoint. Oh, it's clearing a little bit. I see that the 2 falls. You see that? I see the falls now. That's beautiful falls. and I paid 30,000 kip for the entry, and they also charge you 10,000 for the parking if you have a car or bike. So that's how much I paid. So guys, I just had an accident. It wasn't a big accident, but I did got hurt a little bit. You see my leg and my arm here. Well, I was just like driving behind another guy, and the guy suddenly decided to stop, and I hit him from behind. But yeah, I'm doing okay, but I broke the bike. You see the light here, inside, everything here is moving. This is broken, and actually it's not like the, what do you call it, the tire is not straightened with these handles, you know, it's tilted to one side. But it's just a reminder, just be careful, you know, when you come to here or any Asian countries where you rent a bike. Always have your helmet on and be very careful, because the drivers in here, they're crazy. The guy wasn't even wearing a helmet. So I guess I'll just have to go back to the city. It's a rental bike and I don't think I can return it in this condition. I hope they can, you know, fix it. It's fixable because this thing is moving. But everything else is okay. I mean, I'm just a little bit hurt, like here, it's bleeding. There's no pain right now, but maybe later, I don't know. Let's go to the city and try and find a mechanic. This. You see? No?
Okay, đi
And this.
ลม โอ้ออกเปียงไม้บ่มีนี่
มีที่หันน็อตใส่
เอ
เล
อย ให้เขาแล้ว
เบ็ดใหม่
Bit my
เบ็ดใบน้องมืออื่นน้องอายจะมาเอาได้อยู่
English? I don't know why they're laughing. I just don't know. Why are they so happy about it? Right.
มืออื่นอายจังมาเอาได้เพราะว่ามันขดเพราะว่าได้ไปเบ็ดใหม่น้องก็บ่เข้าใจภาษาอายนะ
Huh?
บ่เข้าภาษา
You can fix, no? Okay, fix.
น้องเฮ็ดนี่มืออื่นต้องอายได้มาเอาเพราะว่ามื้อนี้เฮ็ดบ่แล้ว
ขอให้มันซื้อแล้วมันมืออึ้งจะเอาได้จังได๋
How much would it take to fix it? So they finally said that they will fix it. I didn't really bargain about the price. They charged me 500,000, which is about 31 Canadian dollars. I'm just next door to in the pharmacy. The guy is trying to clean up this and maybe this one as well with the alcohol.
เอาขาเพิ่นตายขา
Right here. Yeah. Oh, it's burning.
นอกมานซาลินโซลิซง 0.09%
Yeah, I don't understand.
โอ้ยของอย่างเลยไป
He keeps talking in this language and I don't know what is he talking about.
เด้อ
That's it? All good?
เด้อเป็นหยัง
How much? Kip.
เหรออ๋อบ่เอาเงิน
Tell me. No, I give you money. He's not taking your
ภา
money.
ษาลาวว่าเฮ็ดให้ซื่อ
Huh?
ๆบ่เอาเงินหรอก
No, Ba, tell me. I know Ba means no. But yeah, he did this. Let me just give him something.
โฮพิเทลอักมีจำปาสัก
Huh? Oh, here. I'll give you this. Thank you.
No.
Come on.
No.
Why? That's the first time somebody's not accepting money. Oh, take this
มา
one.
มา
Oh, come
โอ้
on.
ยอันเอาขายทุกสิ่งอย่าง
Oh, this is not fair. Thank you very much. Pop chai. Such a nice guy, eh? I'm still on the highway. Let's see if they fixed it. I think their mechanic, the main guy, was not here. So we're just waiting for him, I guess. Oh, look at this guy. The mechanic is working on the bike, and I think it's gonna take probably an hour more because he opened everything, and I decided to just explore this area. You know, it's a nice and sunny day today, and I decided why not just walk around here, you know? Maybe we see something interesting, something new. Probably just walk this way and see if we can find a street to go right. Hello, how are you? You live here? Oh, you live there? Hey, what is this? Hey, look at this one. My God. Look at this one. So they basically built the entire house on top of those wood, what do you call it? Columns, you know? There's a guy sitting over there. Hello. Can I come? Let's go. Let's go see this guy. So many dogs around. Hello. Sabaidi, how are you? You good? You live here? It's your house. Ah, very nice. Can I go around and see? You understand, right? Your bedroom over here, eh? Ah, God. And the entire house is standing on these woods, eh? It's crazy. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's pretty tiny ones too. And there's a traffic sign in here. Speed limit. You gotta control your speed in here. Very nice to meet you.
Oh.
Hop chai. Yes. Oh, there's another guy over there. Maybe he speaks English. Hop chai. How are you? You Sabaidi. You speak English? Sabaidi. Huh? What is that? Is this for fishing? Oh, this big? Over there? Really?
Yes.
With this big fish? Oh, that's not possible. Hello. How are you? You good?
Bye.
What is your name? Chao Sujang.
Khoi sư Bon.
That's very nice to meet you. You live here? You live up here?
You need.
Ah, very nice. And you have a very nice place to hang around, eh? Sit. Yeah. Bye bye. Hop chai. There's a pipe probably that's installed by the government for fresh water. We do have internet or TV. Hello. Sabaidi. I mean, the reason of them building these houses on top of these columns, these wooden columns, probably is the rain, the weather. There's a big store over there. Let's see if they have something to eat. It's wrong. Here we have a big store, a general store, a couple of them, maybe just one. people of the village, they can buy everything here. The big bags of rice over there. I don't know what those white bags are, but you can buy fresh water too. We have a very beautiful here place to sit. Sabaidi, you okay? What do they have here? Can I look? Oh, it's the energy drink from 7-Eleven. I should probably get something for those guys who are working on my bike. What should we get? Let's just get something. Maybe a couple of these. Put them in here. And then here. Thank you. Cup chai. This one is coconut. Let's buy this one too. Cup chai. Let's just walk back to the mechanic. I hope he's done with my bike by now. Sabaidi. Well, for me, the most interesting thing is that these motorbikes, they're so old. And since they run in the mud, you see the condition here. Like this one. Oh, look at this one. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Hello. Sabaidi, how are you? So many chickens. We have time? Of course we do. Okay. Sabaidi. I bring you juice. Here.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem. You take. You like this one or any other one? All you.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Look. This is how it looks now. I think he had to work on these ones. So this guy has like a small little temple here. I didn't see this before. And I think he lives behind this. Okay, perfect.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good night. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Khop chai. I'm starving. Cannot wait to go home. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.
Oh, my two hooks in now.